AUTO-VOX Wireless RV Backup Camera Bundle Review. Full rear and side vision RV drivers trust. Backing a 30-foot RV into a tight campsite when you cannot see your sides is genuinely stressful. A friend once clipped a concrete pedestal in broad daylight because his single rear camera showed nothing useful beyond the trailer door. That moment was both expensive and completely avoidable. If you have ever white-knuckled a reverse maneuver and hoped for the best, you already know the feeling. The tension compounds on the highway, too. Lane changes start to feel like calculated gambles, and that pressure of not knowing what is beside you never really goes away. Draining. Most drivers rely on mirrors, spotters, or cheap single camera setups, but none of those solutions actually solve the whole problem. There has to be a calmer, smarter way to see everything at once without relying on guesswork or someone shouting directions from outside. Then everything changed when I found the AUTO-VOX Wireless RV Backup Camera Bundle, and suddenly the whole picture came together on one screen. Don't just pick any RV backup camera. Make sure it has triple split view with rear and side cameras, so you never waste time on dangerous blind spot guessing again. That shift is immediate. The first time you see rear and both sides simultaneously on the 7.2-inch HD monitor, the stress of maneuvering a large rig just drops. You get 1080p clarity day or night thanks to infrared LEDs, IP69K waterproof cameras that handle rain and road spray without complaint, a stable wireless digital signal rated up to 500 feet for long fifth wheels, and a built-in DVR that quietly records every drive and reverse to an SD card. Here is what surprised me. The dual antenna frequency hopping signal stays rock solid, even when the rig is mostly metal. One full-time RV couple told me they finally backed into a narrow lakeside spot they had avoided for 2 seasons. Pure relief. Experienced users also mentioned that the DVR footage becomes surprisingly useful for checking site conditions and reviewing close calls later. Long-term confidence builds quickly from there. After a few weeks of real road use, the AUTO-VOX Wireless RV Backup Camera Bundle stops feeling like an accessory and starts feeling like a standard part of the rig. Lane changes become routine, campsite arrivals feel calm, and that background anxiety about blind spots simply fades. One buyer on a popular RV forum said the split screen was a game changer for backing into tight spots, and another mentioned pulling a trailer for the first time in years without a spotter because the side cameras covered everything. A vehicle safety reviewer called the triple view setup one of the most practical visibility upgrades available for large recreational vehicles, which lines up with what real owners keep saying. If the installation sounds intimidating, it genuinely is not as involved as you might expect. Side cameras often slot into existing marker light positions on pre-wired rigs, and the USB or 12-volt power options mean you are not hunting for a permanent wiring solution on day one. What would feel different about your next trip if you could actually see your sides and rear at the same time? Once that awareness becomes normal, driving a big rig loses most of its stress. That peace of mind carries into every mile. If you want to drive and park your RV with genuine confidence and far less stress, the AUTO-VOX Wireless RV Backup Camera Bundle delivers that shift in a practical, road-tested way. Thousands of RV owners, trailer drivers, and motorhome enthusiasts already rely on multi-camera wireless systems like this because the visibility payoff is real and immediate. Results may vary based on rig length, antenna placement, and signal environment. Check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and experience the difference for yourself today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.